Hi everyone, I've got a great idea for Easter. So today I'll be making cherry Dr Pepper Brownies S'mores. What all goes into the cherry Dr Pepper Brownie S'mores? 18.2 ounce brownie mix, 1/4 cup Dr Pepper, I'm using cherry Dr Pepper, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/4 cup maraschino cherry juice, 1 egg, 4 dark chocolate candy bars, or actually 20 pieces. This has 25 pieces, so I'll be using this, and 24 maraschino cherries. That's for the brownies. For the crust, 3 cups graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup butter melted, and for the marshmallows, 20 red cherry flavored marshmallows, but since this is going to be an Easter treat, I'm going to use 20 of the Dr. Pepper Peeps. They don't melt as good, but I think they're going to be delicious. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a 9x13 pan and grease it. And set it aside. Take a medium bowl, dump in your 3 cups of graham cracker crumbs, the 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, your 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix that just a little bit before I add the melted butter. Then add 3/4 cups of melted butter, which is a stick and a half. And mix that until fully combined. It will be crumbly, but it will be mixed. If you see it kind of like wet sand, that's what you want. You don't want the dry sand like that. And you can just use regular Dr. Pepper for this, but since I'm doing maraschino cherries, I just thought it would be fun to do cherry Dr. Pepper. All right, so that looks pretty good. Take your prepared pan and dump in your graham cracker mixture and press that into a crust. Try to get it as even as possible. Put that in a preheated 350-degree oven for 12 to 14 minutes or until set and beginning to brown. Take a bowl and we'll mix up our brownies. Dump in your brownie mix, your 1/4 cup of Dr. Pepper, and mine's cherry Dr. Pepper, your 1/4 cup of oil, your 1/4 cup of maraschino cherry juice, and 1 egg. And mix that until it's completely mixed. So after you get your brownie mixture all mixed up, dump it on the crust. I hate mixing bowls that don't have a handle to it. It's hard to do this without dropping the bowl. All right, so then spread that out. We'll take our chocolate bar, or 4 chocolate bars, and take it and put 5 rows down and 4 across. I got one that broke. We'll put it together like that. Then take your maraschino cherries. And so 6 rows of 4. So that means we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put this in the preheated 350-degree oven for whatever the box says, 24 to 27 minutes. After 27 minutes, I took it out of the oven. I shut off the heat, and I am putting it on broil. And then we're going to put our Dr. Pepper Peeps. You want the brownie to still be kind of hot, and I just burned my finger. And you want to kind of shove it down in there so they stick into the brownie. And I may get more because I'm going to have them all across. These don't melt as easily as regular marshmallows. I've tried doing s'mores over the grill with it, and they took a long time to do that, but they were good. So I figured these would be good. I've never tried Dr. Pepper Peeps in anything except for hot chocolate or just eating them. We have 25 of the Dr. Pepper Peeps, and we'll stick them under the broiler for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they reach the desired char level. And with these being coated like that, I'm expecting them to be more caramelized than charred. So we'll see what they'll look like when they're done. I may regret this. After a minute and some change under the broiler, they got a little bit overdone. These ones don't look so bad. I can probably cut off the bad spots. Some people like their marshmallows that charred. I don't know. 2 things I learned. Probably not the best thing to put on this brownie. And if you're going to, probably about 45 seconds. Or have the broiler on low. I had it on high. Anyway, with that being said, I don't consider this a fail. It just needs a little bit of modification because the recipe I had did not say anything about peeps. Yeah, the smoke was coming out of the oven pretty good. We'll let this cool completely, and then when Dave comes home, we'll dish it up and see if it kills us. So here is the cherry Dr. Pepper Brownie S'mores. Let's see what Dave thinks.
These look like barbecue peeps.
Those are cherry Dr. Pepper Brownie S'mores. And you got the good looking ones of the peeps.
Okay.
I put them under the broiler. It says 2 to 3 minutes. After a minute, there was like smoke coming out of the oven.
Well, they taste good. I would pick that up and bite it, but I'm pretty sure I would have a worse result.
It's pretty messy.
Than the fork, so. It is messy, but it is good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.